Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through snow, mountain, desert, grassland. The train is about to depart. Please sit tight and hold on. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dinged firecrackers. Gasoline. Utility knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. The train is approaching Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow, we can build a snowman now. Candy. Kiki. White sheep. Ready. Slide up to avoid obstacles. Slide up to avoid obstacles. Go, go, go! Great! You finished the race! Let's attend the presentation of prizes! Awesome! You're the first place! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Oops, that's not the right track. Try another one. Oops, that's not the right track. Try another one. Good job, you fixed the track. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous item, gasoline. Pointed scissors. Well done. You found all the dangerous items. Thanks. The train is approaching grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea.
The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. Drag the brush to clean the cow. Oops, the cow is a little upset. Let's cheer it up. That's great! The cow is happy now. Next, let's milk the cow together. Tap to milk the cow. Drag the basin and move it to the right place. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Slide the wooden pestle downward to break the brick tea. Put the brick tea into the plate. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready.
Let's eat.
Please pour me a cup of milk tea.